Hey guys, today I'll be doing a slime pet peeve video, so let's get on with the video. The first one is when they literally cannot get it out of the container. The second one is when the slime is bigger than what it actually is. When the slime is smaller than like what you think it is. Dun, dun, dun. The third one is when like they have such a big amount of slime, but they only play with such a little bit. The fourth one is when they're poking too aggressively. And the fifth one is poking too slow. The sixth one is when they are stopping every 2 seconds for a thumbnail. The seventh one is when they say that it's a thick slime when it isn't a thick slime. Okay guys, so this is my slime. It is super thick. So look, it's so thick. See, it's so thick. So thick. The eighth and ninth one is when the slime rips. Hello, Romeo, familiar faces. The 10th one is when they're talking too much. Oh, hey, I know you like emojis. Do you like emojis? Do you like emojis? Do you like emojis? Yes, I like emojis. Do you like emojis? Do you like slime? Do you like slime? Do I like slime? Yes, I like some. Hey, I'm looking at a video right here. Oh, look, it's so satisfying. Okay. The 11th one is when they make a video about slime pet peeves. Bye.